So I was about to pop the crank out over there and got set up, and I turned it this way and plunk, it fell out on its own. You can see that bearing's got some rust and stuff there too, so it must have spun a little bit in the past on there. It's not bad. But anyway, I guess we'll call that a bonus. I just stuck the other one in the parts washer tank. This one will go in there next. And I'm not sure if you can see that, but yeah. So it actually really amazed me that these are nylon caged bearings, but it's sure what it appears to be. So I'll know more when I take them apart. Okay, I'll catch you tomorrow.